Chia seeds are small, black or white seeds that come from the Salvia hispanica plant, which is a member of the mint family. They have been consumed for centuries in Mexico and other parts of Central and South America, and are now widely available in many countries around the world. Chia seeds are an excellent source of many nutrients, including fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various vitamins and minerals. They are also low in calories and carbohydrates, making them a popular food for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. Chia seeds can be eaten raw or soaked in water or other liquids to create a gel-like substance. They are often used as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal, or added to smoothies, salads, and baked goods. They can also be used to make a popular dessert called chia pudding, which is made by mixing chia seeds with milk or a milk alternative and allowing it to thicken in the refrigerator. Chia seeds are a great addition to a low-carb diet due to several benefits they provide. Here are some of the benefits of chia seeds in a low-carb diet. High in fiber, chia seeds are a great source of fiber, which is essential for digestion and maintaining healthy gut bacteria. In fact, 1 ounce, 28 grams, of chia seeds contains 11 grams of fiber, which is almost half of the recommended daily intake for adults. Low in carbs, chia seeds are very low in carbs, with only 1 gram of net carbs per ounce. This makes them an ideal food for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. High in protein, chia seeds are also a good source of protein, with 1 ounce containing 4 grams of protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Helps to keep you full. Due to their high fiber and protein content, chia seeds can help keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. This can be beneficial for those looking to lose weight on a low-carb diet. Overall, chia seeds are a nutrient-dense food that can provide several health benefits when included in a low-carb diet.